For this exercise, you're going to be sitting straight on a chair with your feet in front of you. Put your arms on your legs because you're going to tip forward a little bit. So make sure, first of all, to sit straight. And you place your arms on your legs and you tilt forward a little bit. It should feel comfortable and you can support yourself with your arms. You're going to feel your lower back while you inhale and exhale in this exercise. You feel that your back is getting wider in the back. In this exercise, you inhale through your nose and you exhale through your mouth. We do this again on the count of 5. Inhale and exhale. We do this 8 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2. Feel the back. 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, feel your back. 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale last time. 3, 4, 5. That's good. Did you feel your lower back? Yep, that's pretty good. If you want to repeat the exercise, you can put your arms and your hands back here and sit straight. You can do that also. And now we're going to do this. We're going to sit straight on that chair. And now, if you want to, you can put your hands on the lower back. Okay, make sure you sit straight. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, feel that back getting wider. 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. In 2, feel your back getting wider. 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale twice. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, feel your back also getting wider. 5. Inhale twice. 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3. Last time. 5. I really hope you felt that back. You can stay seated and feel that lower back. Now you're ready for the vocalies. Good job.